Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of JAYdotMAK. As you can see, we're back in the Mac yard, and we got the butter knife. So y'all know what that means, right? That's right. We have another unboxing. Before we do, though, I do want to say sorry for not uploading for like 2 weeks. I did order a pair of the Anthony Edwards Best of Audi ones, the ones that like the OG ones, and I ordered them whatever $170, and now that he's tearing it up inside of inside of the playoffs, they shot up to like $250 some in my size, and the dude refused to ship them out. So I was bereft of content in that time, and I've been gun shopping and car shopping recently, so you guys will be getting some pretty cool vidges coming in the next few weeks. But let's go ahead and bust this boy open right here. I don't think I even need... Yeah, StockX did a really shitty job of taping these up. They be like telling you to like H-tape it, and I tape all my boxes like this. I tape it once across, then I do the sides, and then I go across again on both the back and the top. I mean, the top and the bottom, right? But StockX, they don't do that on their own packages. They need to start practicing what they preach. Well, let's see what we got inside of this box. We got some... Woo! Y'all know I do love me some SBs, right? And I know a lot of y'all out there. Let's push this to the side there. It's kind of wet out here, so I want this there so we don't really fuck up the box. But yeah, these actually aren't dunks, even though they're in a dunk box. These are the Nike SB Darwin Lows. This is a collab that I was actually really excited for when I heard it. And I'm glad that these aren't doing numbers, because I was able to get these for $150 on the resale market. And I think retail was like $110. So... yeah, you know I had to get 2 pairs of these. That's why we got another box there. But this is a different colorway than these. But let's go ahead and check these boys out. Let's turn that around there. There we go. God damn. This is a really subtle, underrated colorway of a shoe that's actually an OG. So the Air Darwin originally came in a high top, and that's what Rodman originally wore. But when he got his own shoe, the Indestruct and the Worms, they ended up making them the low tops because Rodman liked low tops. So this is like a collab between Nike and SB, where they took the OG Darwins that Rodman used to wear and they cut them into low tops like Rodman's second shoe. So it's kind of like a callback reference slash hybrid. And if you look at the shape of these, right? These have a very Jordan 11 shape to them. See, like, you got these eye stays right here. This whole tongue area and the toe box is very Jordan 11, like the Jordan 11 lows. But man, I love these because they're all black canvas, and they just, I don't know, something about the Air Darwins back in the day was cool. But I love low top shoes more than I like high top shoes, and I can't believe that these bitches are only hitting for like $150 right now, because I might have to double up on this shoe so I can beat it up just a little bit. God damn. Look at that. I'll probably throw some B-roll in afterwards. I'll film some B-roll so you guys can get some real good shots of these while I'm just doing a live unboxing right now. Or maybe I'll put up like another video, like I fucking wear them and put them on foot or something. I don't know. Who fuck knows? We'll see. We'll see what's going on. But yeah, that's the first pair. So let's put those to the side. Let me put my tripod down right quick, and just like there we go. Let's pick that up. Slide this off to the side here, and then we'll just put these in the background there to play with for a second. And hold on, let me see if I can't peel my address off of this one right here, because yeah, there we go. Because for some reason they stuck my address and shit like right on the top. Usually they put it on the side, so it's easy for unboxings and I don't have to worry about you guys showing up at my crib. But you know, like I said, I've been gun shopping, so I don't think you want to do that. You'll find out real fucking quick that Mac stays strapped with the heat. See? I stay strapped with the heat in more ways than one. So let's go ahead and bust this box on open. We're gonna have this same sort of style box. Man, look how big that piece was. Whoever packed this, fuck you. Whoever packed this pack can go fuck themselves. It's not even big enough to put the whole box down on. Like, word. Okay, cool. That's where we're at now, StockX. I see you. I see you. Alright, so let's get this box out of this box while you guys look at the Air Rodmans over there. I'm going to call them the rare Air Rodmans, even though they ain't. But I do like that these, like the old Air Darwins had the backward swoosh. And that's kind of cool because, you know, motherfuckers be trying to buy all them fucking Travis Scotts with the backward swooshes and everything. So that's on brand for these days. Let's see what we got in this box. Once again, we got the Nike SB Supreme paper there. I don't know if you could see it. It's got the Supreme box logo, then SB, every other alternating on the print there, but oh yeah. When I saw these, I was like, ooh, I gotta have them. But they were hitting for like $250 on the day of release on the resale market. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna sit back and I'm gonna wait and see what happens on these. And sure enough, I was able to get a pair here. Let's throw that out the fucking way. I was able to get a pair of these for $160. These are the same as those. However, these are the desert colorway. Same Supreme brand in here. It's just, you know, god damn this fucking little shitty ass piece of fucking, it's not big enough. I just have to hope that this doesn't get wet on the box, or see if I can't dry it out some, if it does get a little moisture on it. But yeah, now these will probably remind you of the same print that we saw on the Jordan 5 Supremes, but I don't like 5s. However, I do like the camo print. I own quite a few camo print shoes, actually. I have the you know, the Air Max Duck, the reverse ducks, and the fucking, all the different duck fucking camos they came out with on them. I have a few pair of camo SB Dunks in the closet still. And some digital camo NMDs still left over from when NMDs were popping. Remember those days? Motherfuckers paying like $600 for a pair of NMDs. Oh, look at that glue stain. Is that glue stain or is, oh no, never mind. That's the gray. That's the gray. It looked like Bro, that's a really bad spot to put the gray. I thought that was a glue stain for me. I was about to send these bitches back to StockX. Be like, what are you doing? So, I think this is the same as the Jordan 5, where let's compare one side to the other. Let's see. Yeah, see, each pair has their own spickle spackle desert camo. So you see, this side has a different pattern than that side. So every panel, it seems, is going to be unique to this pair of the SB Darwins. So that's actually cool, you know, knowing that your pair isn't going to be the same as every other person's pair. So if they're wearing their pair, like, and you're wearing your pair, you know, it's like, oh shit, like, it's not the same shoe, even though it's the same shoe. Looks like somebody pissed all over the front of this shoe, though. Look, see that mark in there? That's fine right there. And then you come over here and it's like, oh, dog. Bro. Why do you gotta do me like that, bro? It look like somebody pissed on the side of my shoe from that angle. I gotta make sure nobody looks at my shoe from that angle. I gotta make sure they look at it from this angle. There you go. But yeah, no, it's I'm actually pretty happy with the patterns that I got on my pair, even though that one side looks like somebody pissed all over. But this side is almost all gray, which is kind of a nice contrast to the all browns and the multiple colors of browns on this side. Like, see, this has less brown on it than that side. So that's actually really cool. It's like, even though they're the same shoe, they're still not the same shoe, even in the same pair. Like, you see, there's a lot more gray on this tongue. This one has a lot more of the tan and the brown. This shoe barely has any of the dark brown in it. It's kind of a shame because I do like the dark brown on there. But considering that when you flip it around, this shoe has more than enough of the dark brown in it on this side, I'm actually pretty fucking impressed with this pair. Like, the quality on them is actually really nice. And I would like to see Jordan Brand use some of this canvas material a little bit more often, rather than like that shitty ass suede and Durabuck that they be using sometimes. Let's move this back a little, see if we can't get a nice little thumbnail shot or something here. Man, that is a really attractive looking shoe, though. Especially when you consider, like I said, 160 on these and 148 on those. So, you know, $300. I got 2 pairs of Supreme Nike SBs, and I'm pretty happy with these. Especially these. These are probably going to become my like new everyday drivers, especially because, like I said, they're canvas. So you could wash the shit out of these and not have any issues. These are going to be busted out a little bit less often, though, because I have a feeling that these are going to hold stains a little bit more than the black ones will. But that's a given. That's like any shoe in general. You know what I mean? So, my name is Jay. This has been another episode of JAYdotMAK. Make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe, leave a thumbs up on the video. I'd highly appreciate it because it just gives me motivation to make more videos for y'all motherfuckers to watch my motherfucking videos, especially since I'm about to be buying either a CZ, I think it's a PCR, yeah, the PCR, or a PO1 subcompact pistol. I do have a 357 Magnum as well. So I want to do some videos on that, like take you guys to like the range and shit, pop off some shots, and also show you guys off like my car shopping and what type I'm gonna be doing and all that. So if you guys have any questions or comments, or you just want to say, yo, what's up, you know, leave them down in the comment section down below. But like I said, this is another episode of JAYdotMAK. Goddamn. I can't decide which ones I like more. You tell me, alright? Do you guys like the Desert Camo pair more? Or do you guys like the OG black Rodman Low style more? Because they're both attractive shoes, but man, something about that black and red tongue right there is, I mean, I know it's got the same one over there, but because this is just all black and that's kind of like the only color hit on the shoe, it just really makes that tongue pop. And I can't wait to, you know, bust these laces loose a little bit. And, you know, I usually on like 11s like these, I bust these laces loose and I just tie a little knot here at the end and leave these hanging loose and get that tongue up and everything so you can see that nice. But yeah, I am very, very impressed with these. These are my sleeper hit of the year so far for 2024. I almost said 2010. But it was like 15 years ago. But I'm getting the fuck out of here. Once again, this is another episode of JAYdotMAK. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see y'all motherfuckers later. Do you guys realize it's like 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm doing this shit too? I got these in yesterday. I actually got my Space Jams in yesterday too, but I haven't opened them yet. I'm going to make that a video tomorrow because, you know, those deserve their own video and these deserve their own video. Fucking content, you know what I mean? Fucking, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, nah. This right here is probably one of the most, like, slept on releases this year. I can't believe I haven't seen anybody talking about these motherfuckers. It's crazy.